Hello and welcome to the complete Microsoft SharePoint 2019 Bootcamp, a real beginner's guide to become SharePoint expert step by step from NPM Global Technologies. Hi, I am Perry from NPM Global Technologies, a senior SharePoint technology consultant and Microsoft certified professional and providing SharePoint solutions over 10 years. Our course teaching style is different. We'll have less lectures and more hands-on. We are more focused on how you can use SharePoint at work and become a power user, become a SharePoint site administrator, a developer, or a SharePoint consultant. According to the recent survey, the median salary for a SharePoint consultant in USA is $117,500 per year, or it can go as high as $119,750 US. Similarly, the salary for a SharePoint developer is $105,000 per year, or it can go as high as $178,500. So with this brief introduction, we will cover in next videos course outline, why to learn SharePoint and pursue career in SharePoint area. If you are familiar with SharePoint and if you have some knowledge of SharePoint, you may want to skip these introductory videos and go straight to the labs. See you in the next video. Thank you.